Alright, I just wanted to hop on here for a really quick tip on how I get this eyeliner going, you know? So this super quick way to wing it, you can do it multiple ways, okay? But first, you're just gonna need some tape, and I'm just using Scotch tape here, nothing crazy. You can use like a medical grade tape, whatever you want, girl. Whatever you got lying around the house, right? Because, well, it is almost Christmas whenever I'm filming this video, so there's lots of tape at my house because we're wrapping presents galore. So you need some tape. This is just regular Scotch tape, okay? Then you can use liquid liner if you'd like, okay? This one is my favorite. Of course, I'm like a black liner girl. Like, black is my soul is what they say, right? You can use a pencil eyeliner. You can use eyeshadow. I am going to be using a cream eyeshadow today. That's what I used for this one right here, okay? I have to like catch myself because in my camera viewfinder, what I'm seeing, everything's like switched backwards, so I gotta get used to that. Alright, so I am going to grab a piece of tape here, okay? What I like to do is stick it on the back of my hand first, okay? This way it's not super sticky, except for it's like quite stuck on my hand now. Okay. Okay, got it? Now, tuck this hair out of my way. I'm gonna go from the corner of my eye towards my temple. Okay, and I can feel that like it's not super sticky, and that's really great. You want to just be sticky enough though, so if you put it on and it starts like coming off, this part's okay, but if it's not flat to your eye right here, like you're gonna want to just take it off and get another one because it's not gonna be a straight line. It's not gonna be cute. It's just not. Alright, so this is my Splurge Cream Shadow in the shade Magnificent. I love, love, love this stuff. Okay, and I'm gonna grab a liner brush, just any old liner brush that I feel like using, okay, which is just an angled brush like this. I guess I could show you like that. There we go. And we are just, you don't even have to be neat about it, okay? So you can get your wings started however far out that you want it. You don't even have to worry about like having super straight lines or anything. It's so great. So great. All right, and just run that across your lid, okay? However thick that you want it. I'm digging the thick wing lately, right? Got hair everywhere. I shed like crazy, y'all. Okay, and then let's just run this across our lid. Okay, it looks kind of crazy like that, right? Looks kind of crazy. We've got it on. Look at that. Doesn't even look that cute yet. And then if I need it, just clean it up in any areas I can. And then I like mine kind of a little bit of shadow, but if other days I want it to be more solid. So if you want it to like be super black, just dampen your brush a little bit. That's with some Behold setting spray. That's what I just used, just some setting spray. And dip that in your shadow again and go over that. And it will just really blacken that, as well as, you know, keep it set even more than it already is. And then we're just gonna peel this off. Watch. Look at that wing. Look at that wing. It's perfect, you guys. It's absolutely perfect. And the only other thing I did was whatever I had left over on my liner brush, I just rubbed on my lower lash line. Just to spread that eyeshadow around. Look at that. Just a great wing. Like, I feel like if you have a great wing on, you don't even need to worry about your eyeshadow. Like, I don't even have eyeshadow on right now. That's it. Easy peasy. All you need is some tape and some eyeshadow, a liner brush. You got it, girl. You can look good for right now. There's holidays, you know, during the holiday season. All right. I want everyone to know how to get their wing on. Wing it. That's how I live life, right? All right, guys, let me know if you use this trick, hashtag tape liner, and I will be stalking that hashtag to see who uses it. You can also comment below, let me know, share your selfies. I hope you guys found this tutorial useful and of value to you. I cannot wait to make you guys more videos, and I will talk to you next time. Bye.